myself, just a little taste. I cast a spell to catch a fade. I'm walking out, my blood got pain. I'm falling down, I float away. I can't control myself, I don't puff and tell, I don't do so well. I don't got no self-control, I'm out my mind and all alone. My eyes are like two black holes, self-destruct is all I know. Don't got no self-control. Don't got no self-control. Don't got no self-control. Sleeping in a liquor stain. I'm waking up, just a taste away. Waking down, packing ashtrays. I'm getting lost.
I was sold on this idea that the Mavic Mini was a great entry-level drone, and I figured, okay, instead of waiting 2 weeks for this Mavic Air 2, I'll buy this Mavic Mini and see how I like it. If I fly it a lot and I enjoy it, and I think this could be something to add to my video repertoire, and then I'll buy the Mavic Air 2 or Pro later. And then I get the opportunity to stay in a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Þingvellir. It's the continental rift between Iceland and Northern Europe. So when you're walking through those cracks there, you're literally walking between the two continents. This is the most visited place in Iceland. 1.3 million people go there every year. And it's the oldest surviving parliament in the world. Well, it was there from 10th to the 18th century. I'm not going to bore you with the detail. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. And there were you're not allowed to fly a drone there. 2015, the park official said, well, you know, no drones. But you don't get any drone shots there. And he did that because they were noisy and they were bothering people. So fair enough, he banned them. But when I was there was nobody else. There was just the two of us. And all I had was this drone and nobody there to tell me that I couldn't fly it. So, of course, I put it up into the air and I got these unique pictures of a UNESCO World Heritage Site with no tourists around. And I can't help but think that, you know, this is an opportunity missed. I only had the Mavic Mini. Having said that, when I took these pictures, there were still 2 weeks to wait for the Mavic Air 2, which I probably would have bought. And if I had waited, I wouldn't have had the pictures at all. I wouldn't have had anything except boring tourist. What do you think? Did I miss an opportunity there of a lifetime, or did I just grab an opportunity of a lifetime? Let me know.